What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode on Crazy Auto Premiere. Today, we're taking an extremely close look at the all-new Mercedes-Benz EQS450 Plus, the German luxury brand's first dedicated electric vehicle built from the ground up on an EV platform. This sleek and futuristic flagship sedan is designed to take on rivals like the BMW i7, Lucid Air, and even the Tesla Model S, promising a combination of cutting-edge technology, opulent luxury accommodations, and impressive all-electric range. With a base price of $105,450, the EQS450 Plus doesn't come cheap, but it aims to deliver a truly premium electric driving experience. So let's dive in and see if it lives up to the Mercedes-Benz pedigree. The EQS450 Plus has a striking and aerodynamic design with a drag coefficient of just 0.2, which helps maximize its range. Its smooth, rounded body looks like it's been melted in the summer sun, giving it a unique and futuristic appearance quite unlike any other Mercedes model. Up front, it features a new 3-bar motif with a large Mercedes star in the center, along with sleek LED headlights that blend seamlessly into the design. Around back, you'll find an integrated rear spoiler, sleek LED taillights, and a hatchback design for added practicality and cargo space. But it's on the inside where the EQS450 Plus really shines. Step into the cabin, and you're greeted by an opulent and seriously tech-laden environment. The showstopper here is the massive 56-inch curved hyperscreen that spans nearly the entire width of the dashboard. This glass panel integrates 3 displays: a 2.3-inch digital instrument cluster, a massive 7.7-inch central touchscreen, and even a 2.3-inch display for the front passenger. It's a stunning piece of technology that gives the X an ultra-modern and futuristic vibe. The infotainment system is powered by the latest MBUX software from Mercedes, which includes augmented reality navigation that overlays arrows and directions onto a live camera feed for easy guidance. There's also advanced voice control via the Hey Mercedes command, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and the ability for over-the-air updates to keep the system fresh. As you'd expect from a Mercedes flagship, the interior is trimmed with the finest materials like wood veneers, leather upholstery, and metallic accents. The front seats offer multiple massage functions, heating and ventilation, and can even move the passenger seat forward to increase rear legroom in the executive option. Speaking of the rear seats, they're exceptionally roomy and comfortable thanks to the X-long 1 to 6.4-inch wheelbase. Under that sleek body, the EQS450 Plus is powered by a single permanent magnet synchronous AC motor on the rear axle. It produces a healthy 329 horsepower and 417 pound-feet of torque, which allows this large luxury sedan to accelerate from 0-60 mph in just 5.4 seconds. That's proper quick performance. But the real highlight is its all-electric range. The EQS450 Plus is equipped with a massive 107.8 kWh lithium-ion battery pack. Mercedes says this allows for an estimated range of up to 350 miles on a full charge based on EPA ratings. And in our own real-world highway range test at 75 miles per hour, we actually observed an incredible 400-mile driving range, which is seriously impressive. When you do need to recharge, the X can accept up to 200 kilowatts DC fast charging, allowing you to go from a 10% to 80% charge in just 31 minutes at a compatible station. At home on a level 2 charger, it takes around 11.5 hours for a full top-up. Out on the open road, the EQS450 Plus exhibits typical Mercedes qualities with a smooth, quiet, and luxuriously comfortable ride befitting its flagship status. The air suspension soaks up bumps with ease, while wind and road noise are nicely hushed inside that cocoon cabin. Acceleration is brisk when you need it for passing maneuvers. However, it's not all perfect. We did notice the regenerative braking system feels a bit unnatural and non-linear, with an overly mushy brake pedal that lacks the reassuring feel you'd want in a vehicle of this size and capability. Mercedes says they've updated this system for 2025 models, so hopefully that addresses our complaints. Overall, the 2022 Mercedes EQS450 Plus makes a strong case as a technological and luxury tour de force in the premium EV space. Its combination of stunning design inside and out, advanced tech features, serene driving manners, and impressive real-world range put it right up there with the best electric luxury vehicles on the market today. If you want a taste of the future from a brand like Mercedes, the X is a supremely compelling option. That's it for our in-depth review of this electric flagship sedan. time. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments what you think about the Mercedes EQS450 Plus. Are you impressed by its all-electric capabilities, or do other luxury EVs appeal to you more at this premium price point? Let's discuss. And if you're new here, consider subscribing to Crazy Auto Premiere for the latest automotive reviews and news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.